We are so honored to have so many people that have served our country in this way. If you are a veteran or are currently serving our country in the military, thank you for your service.
To mark this important holiday, the Sunny Hill students are pleased to honor the people of our armed forces with this musical salute.
When America had an urgent need, these brave ones raised a hand. No hesitation held them back. They were proud to take a stand.
So I'd like to compliment all of you and of course Ms. Walters and to everyone for the amazing participation today. And thank you community for coming. Let's give everyone a round of applause before you look to your